So this is a quick review of the Mosquito Killer Lantern, purchased off of Amazon. We saw this on a YouTube video and we decided to give it a whirl. The kit itself comes in a small box and it says it's got multiple lighting modes, USB chargeable, and all the technical details on there, so I'll give you a chance to spot that, and if you want to pause the video you can do to have a little look at that. So opening the box up, it comes in its own cardboard box from Amazon. I purchased this one. It's got a USB. Continuing the review, we use this. We're currently on a campsite in the middle of Wales near Betsy Coed. I'm sure I've said that wrong, so I do apologise to anybody Welsh listening, but we're on a campsite near there, and we was attacked last night by the Welsh midges, and when they came out in force. So we lit this inside our van, a VW camper, Travel Van 999, if you want to follow me on YouTube or on my Instagram, and was amazed by the amount that it actually captured. You can see inside there just how good it was, and we had a bug-free night. I haven't cleaned this one out because of the review that I was doing, but basically you just run this under the tap. So obviously switch it all off, run it all under the tap, and wash out the mosquitoes that are collected inside there. Make sure it dries properly, give it a good shake out and let it dry in fresh air, and then it's ready to go again. So all in all, I would give it probably a good 8 out of 10. The only thing that lets it down is the hook is a little bit plasticky on the hanging hook, and it has come apart a couple of times. So when you pull it out, there you go, it's just dropped off. That is the only thing that lets it down, but you can hook it back up. It just slots back into a little slot there. So that is the only thing that let this one down, was this hook keeps coming off of the hanger to hang it up. But you can tie it up, clip it up, put a Jubilee clip, a carabiner through it, and then hang it from there. Absolutely perfect. So that is the review on a Mosquito Killer Lantern from Amazon. I think I paid about £15 for it. Any further details, give me a call on the Instagram, TravelVan999, or leave a link below, message and a tick if you thought this was okay video and helpful. Like and subscribe is what I say.